What's good? So today we're gonna talk about some Manychat new features. If you know that I love using Manychat, especially for Instagram and Facebook automation, I have tons of videos like that on this channel, so please go check them out when you got a chance. But right now we're gonna talk about some new things that release within the last few weeks that I think you're gonna take advantage of if you're trying to promote your business on Instagram. If you're not using a software like ManyChat to automatically get people who DM you, who comment on your post, to send them messages, to get them to the next stage of your sales process, then you're seriously lacking behind. You don't have to spend 4 or 5 hours a week on your phone manually sending the same stuff over and over. Use automation to make it happen. So one of the first features is broadcast in Instagram. So as this means, there is a feature where somebody can click a button in the DMs. It'll show up just like this one I'm showing you on the video. And it's going to allow you to send a broadcast to everyone that clicked that subscribe button. Normally what happens is if someone gets in a automation of yours, 24 hours after their last action on that automation, you can no longer DM them from ManyChat. So this allows you to create some very unique messaging, create a newsletter, do a weekly offer, whatever you need to do to get the job done. Before, it was solely on Facebook for your Facebook business page, but a lot of people find it easier and more advantageous to grow their business and grow their brand on Instagram. All you have to do is activate this feature. Is once you see this banner, you hit get started, scroll down, and then hit start collecting subscribers. I'm not going to do so because I already have this set up for mine, but please do so if you don't have it. So this is a beta feature, but this essentially means what keywords or triggers they're going to pop up that AI can look at the intent and then send them a message based on that intent. For example, if you do a DM automation, you have to say, hey, DM me the word X to get Y. And if it's outside of that, it won't work. Now, if they inquire about your services, no matter which way they ask, it's going to start an automation. Now, this works for all channels. However, it is in beta. I tested this a while ago, and even though I put asking for services, offers, and wanting to learn more, when someone asked me a general question, I noticed the automation still popped off. That's why I cut it to inactive. But this is a great feature because once it gets fleshed out, I'm pretty sure it's going to be improved, it's going to get better, and you can literally start integrating more AI-based features into your DM flows. Now, another cool feature is that you can start a trigger, and you can start actions when somebody clicks ads. So let's say user clicks a Facebook ad, user clicks Instagram ad. It's going to start the flow immediately for them in the DMs. Now, why it's important? Beforehand, when you run DM messenger ads, normally people attach a keyword to the ad that somebody has to actually type in or they tap a button. Now, if they click the ad in general, it's going to put them in a workflow. If you want to see how to build these workflows, make sure you click at the top or somewhere on screen and you'll be able to get access to that. Last new feature, this isn't really a new feature, but it's a one that I think a lot of people overlook. You can connect ChatGPT to your ManyChat account. This is going to allow you to create some really interactive AI-based chatbots that's going to be able to talk to your audience with some nuance. I have a video on how to set that up, so make sure you check it out in the description. When someone asks anything, when someone wants to know more about your products and services, your chatbot's going to answer back directly. Remember, if you need help with your automations for ManyChat, we do have a course that's available at the bottom, has about 27 modules, and it's going in depth about the platform, how to set everything up, how to integrate AI, how to grow your subscriber base, all that good stuff. So I thank you for watching the video. This is Rock. I'll see you in the next one.